TV abatago Yanuka ni mwasusu Igbo Odi untoma di kwamba Igbo TV
Igbo TV abatago Bịanụ ka anyị mụọ asụsụ Igbo ọ dị ụtọ ma dịkwa mma Igbo TV Igbo TV. Hello, welcome to my channel Learn Igbo TV. Today we're going to look at 20 common Igbo phrases. Please, before we continue, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like, make your comments. The first phrase we have today is ndewo. Ndewo, which means hello. This is the pronunciation. Ndewo. Ndewo. Ndewo means hello. No. No. No means welcome. Welcome. No. If your mother or your father, your sister, your brother, or any of your aunties or uncles comes to your house or is coming from anywhere, maybe from market, from church, from anywhere at all. Once you see the person, you say, no. That is to say, welcome. Kedu. Kedu. That is a common phrase. Once you hear Kedu, it means how are you? Kedu means how are you? How are you? Kedu. Kedu. It means how are you? The answer that is expected of you when you are asked, how are you, is Adim mma. Adim mma means I am fine. I am fine. Adim mma. Adim mma. I am fine. The other phrase, which is very common, is actually Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? What is your name? And the answer should be Aha m bụ. My name is. Aha m bụ. For instance, if your name is Okonkwo, you will say Aha m bụ Okonkwo. Aha m bụ Okonkwo. My name is Okonkwo. So, when we are greeting in Igbo language, once it is daybreak, once it is morning, in the morning when you wake up, the greeting is usually ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. That is good morning. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. In the afternoon, you will say ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. In the evening, you will say mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Good evening. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. Good evening. Daalụ. Daalụ. Thank you. Daalụ. Thank you. Daalụ. Thank you. Sometimes you will hear people say daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. That means thank you very much. Thank you very much. Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. Thank you very much. This is also common. Biko. Biko means please. Biko, please. Bia. Bia means come. Come. Bia, come. Gawa. Gawa means go. Gawa means go. Gawa, go. When you get to the market to buy something, you will hear some of this particular phrase. Ego ole ka ọ bụ? Ego ole ka ọ bụ? Ego ole ka ọ bụ? It means how much is it? How much is it? Ego ole ka ọ bụ? Sometimes you will hear people ego ole. Ego ole. Ego ole. Once you hear ego ole, it means how much. How much? Ego ole. How much? Ịghọtago. Ịghọtago. It is also very, very common that when you're discussing or you hear Igbo friends talking to each other, you keep hearing ịghọtago. Ịghọtago. So, what that means is, do you understand? Do you get what I'm saying? Ịghọtago. Ịghọtago. Do you understand? Sometimes when you are not sure of what the person has said, you can say to him, once he says ịghọtago, you will say aghọtaghị m, I don't understand. Aghọtaghị m. Aghọtaghị m. Re. We have it two places here. Aghọtaghị m. This here represents I. Aghọtaghị m. I don't understand. Kpọọ m. Call me. Call me. Kpọọ m. When two persons are departing, like, to remind him when you get to where you are going, kpọọ m. Call me. Kpọọ m. Call me. Ka ọ dị. Ka ọ dị. Ka ọ dị. It means goodbye or bye or see you later. Ka ọ dị. Goodbye. Sometimes you will hear ka o mesịa. It's still the same meaning with goodbye, bye, or see you later. Ka o mesịa. Ka o mesịa. Goodbye. Thank you so much for taking your time to listen to today's Igbo lesson. Keep watching this channel, for we have more to come. Learn Igbo TV. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Ndewonu. Daalụnụ. Ka o mesịa.
Learn Igbo TV abatago. Piano ka anyị mụọ asụsụ Igbo. Ọ dị ụtọ ma dịkwa mma.